Lesson 1, Sequencing. Lesson 1, we're going to be learning about sequencing. In sequencing, we're going to begin with what we call our counting numbers. Our counting numbers are the numbers that we have been using since we first learned math. These are numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. These are our base numbers. In sequencing, instead of using these numbers in a row, we are going to be putting them into a pattern or a sequence. So a sequence can either go up or it can go down. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of these sequences and decide if we know if this one's going up or down. So let's take a look at this. Let's say 9, 13, 17, and that's have 3 missing numbers. Let's take a look here and decide what is the sequence. Well, I know that 9 to 13 is plus 4. 13 plus 4 is 17. So I know the sequence is plus 4 or up 4. So 17 plus 4 is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. And 25 plus 4 is 29. So in this sequence, I know that the rule is up by 4. This would be my rule. Let's take a look at another sequence and see if we can determine the rule in this one. I could start with the number 40, 36, 32, and determine what is my sequence. So let's take a look here. And if we start with 40 down to 36, we know that's minus 4. 36 minus 4 is 32. So I'm going to continue on with this pattern or sequence. 32 minus 4 gives me 28. 28 minus 4 is 24. And 24 minus 4 is 20. So in this one, I know my rule is down by 4. That is my rule. So we're looking for the rules in the sequence, and we're also looking for the missing numbers. So there's 2 things that we're looking for. One other thing to mention is the 3 dots that are at the end of a sequence. So I start off with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I put 3 dots in here. 3 dots mean that these numbers go on forever, even though they are not written. Let's take a look at a few more examples here and see if we can't determine what the rule is and what the missing number is. So let's start here with some examples. Let's see here. Let's say 9, 8, 7, and 3 missing numbers. So we're looking for the missing numbers and we're looking for the rule. So I know that this is a pretty easy one. 9 to 8, oh, I know that's minus 1. 8 to 7, I know that's minus 1. So I'm just going to continue on with that pattern. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. So not only did I find the missing numbers, I know that my rule is down by 1. And so my answer is 6, 5, and 4, and down by 1. Let's take a look at another problem here, see if we can find the missing numbers and if we can find the rule. Let's try this. Let's say 2, 5, 8, and 11. And let's get our 3 missing numbers in here, see if we can't solve this problem. So in this one, I'm going to go 2 to 5. I know, well, that's plus 3. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 8 plus 3 equals 11. So let's continue on. 11 plus 3 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. 17 plus 3 is 20. So in this rule, it's up by 3. And my missing numbers were 14, 17, and 20. So again, this whole thing would be my answer. 14, 17, 20, up by 3. So hopefully that helps you out with sequencing, and here is going to be your homework for tonight. You're going to need to find the next 3 numbers. So let's go ahead and find the next 3 numbers. So number 1, I'll give you the numbers 6, 8, and 10. You're going to tell me what those next 3 numbers are there. And number 2, let's give you the numbers 21, 18, and 15. And you're going to need to tell me what those next 3 numbers are there. You do not have to tell me the rule for the homework, just the next 3 numbers. And we will go over this tomorrow.